We're putting in 1 cup of mayonnaise. And we're going to put in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Stir that out. We're going to make some crab cakes today, guys. Okay, and we're going to use the juice of like 1 lemon. I'm putting like 3 sections in it right now, and I'll put the other 3 a little later. Okay. The next thing we're going to add is, I like to use Ritz crackers. I found these roasted vegetable ones, so I'm going to be using them. And I just got 1 stack, and I beat them up and made my own breadcrumbs or cracker crumbs. We're going to add about half in here right now. I think that's about half. Save the other half. Combine. Okay, guys. Now we're going to add in just a little bit of our onion. And we have a nice little onion. Okay. And some freshly chopped celery. Say about a tablespoon. And we're going to use about 1 small red bell pepper. Okay, it's coming together quite nicely. Okay. Let's add in 2 eggs. It's part of our binder for our crab. And the crab is going in last. We just want to fold it in. So we're going to get everything combined. Okay, you need like a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I couldn't find Worcestershire sauce today, so a good substitute if you don't have it and your recipe calls for it, you can use balsamic is the first choice. Soy sauce might be the second. Just need a little bit of acidity. Okay, it's almost looking like crab cakes. Okay, so I'm going to put in just a little bit of green onion. Just a little bit. And the crab that I'm going to be using today is premium lump crab out of the can. And it's nice and delicate, and we paid extra for that lump, so we don't want to disturb it. We want to just fold it in. Okay. That's 1 8-ounce can. I'm going to be using 2. Okay, and they are previously drained. Get all that crabby goodness out of that can. We just want to fold it in. Okay, now we're going to add our remainder of the breadcrumbs. And you you'll find it's easier to work with this mixture if you do it like that. Okay. Okay. We're about there, guys. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of lemon pepper. You can add straight salt and pepper, but I'd like to add just a little bit of lemon pepper. And it wouldn't be crab cakes if we didn't add some Old Bay. And we can be generous with this Old Bay. A nice sprinkling. See how that looks? We just want it to be seasoned. Okay. Next we have, this is the pan that our little bitty crab cakes is going to end up in. Okay. So we just want to spoon this in. And at this point, we're going to spoon it in, not with some of our Ritz cracker crumbs, but we're going to be using panko. Panko crumbs. Just make a nice little bed. We're going to take our spoon. Now we're going to take another spoon. Should we lay it on some panko? And our 2 cans are going to yield anywhere from 6 to 8 of these nicely formed patties. And then we're going to let them rest. And then we're going to pan sear them. I'll be back when I finish and we'll be putting them in the pan. Okay. Hi, we're back with Lucy's crab cakes. Okay, then that means that our skillet is ready, guys. Okay, the first cake is going in. Okay, we're going to let each one of our cakes cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Got a big skillet. So we can get, we just don't want them too close together, guys. Okay. I think we can fit one more. This is a large one, so I think we can make it another one in here. Let's see. Yep, we can. We just don't want them touching, so they can brown evenly. When those come out, we're going to put them on our pan to drain off just a little bit. It should be out momentarily. You can tell when they're brown. You can look around the edges and you'll see them starting to brown. You don't want to miss. Hi guys. Okay, we're just about done with our beautiful crab cakes. On the last couple of cakes. You just want these to finish browning. Kind of be careful with them. They're so delicate, guys. Okay. Okay. That one's not quite ready. You can tell by the edges. It's getting brown though. Oh yeah, this one is ready. Gentle flip. Okay, we're putting them on the pan to drain. Put these guys in the center. Should get nice and brown quicker. Let's give them 2 minutes. Hi guys. Okay, fresh out of the skillet, our beautiful crab cakes. I'm going to put just a little sprinkling of salt on here. I didn't really do salt doing it because you can always add salt, but you can't take it away. And I think it's time to taste these. Okay, I put a little tartar sauce over here. And I'm going to put a little bit of Old Bay has a hot sauce. So we're going to try Old Bay hot sauce on my tartar sauce. It ought to be good. And I'm going to do just a little bit of squeeze of lemon. Take that perfect bite for you guys. Okay, crunchy, soft on the inside. I'm supposed to be saying something to you right now, right? Okay. That was easy. You can do this. These are excellent crab cakes. Restaurant quality. They'll be your home favorite, your secret weapon for anything. I'm going to call these Marry Me crab cakes. Need a husband, make him some crab cakes.